India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in design and aesthetics, CTS offers the trade of interior design. From homes and offices to hotels, studios, and premium residential projects, trained interior designers play a vital role every single day. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, materials, real workshop environments. Students learn space planning, color theory, material selection, furniture layout, and practical drafting using industry-relevant tools and workshop training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities. Start businesses, become entrepreneurs. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Born in Siliguri with big dreams of becoming an interior designer, Radhika Vishwakarma was unsure if her family could afford it. Then one recommendation changed everything. NSTI Women Noida. With free education, hostel, and supportive mentors, she built her skills, completed her training, and gained real industry experience. Today, Radhika is back in Siliguri, proudly working and inspiring others to believe that dreams do come true with the right support. Learn today, lead tomorrow.